Hi, good morning all. Let's start with a new topic, that is how acids and bases reacts with metal. So today we are going to learn how exactly acid and bases they will react with the metal which is given to us. So let's see how does the procedure, steps and the practical activity takes place. So now in this activity, we are going to study about the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid. And also we are going to learn about how do we do the test for hydrogen gas. So the metal which we have taken is zinc and the acid which we have taken is dilute sulfuric acid. So let's start with the activity. First, I'll tell you what are the materials required, and then I'll let you know what are the chemicals which are required for the experiment, and then we will proceed with the procedure of the experiment. So for this activity, you need a test tube stand, a test tube, you need watch glass, spatula, and delivery tube. Also, you need a tub. So now the chemicals which are required for the activity is zinc granules, H2SO4 dilute. So we are using dilute H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid for the reaction, soap solution, and also we are using candle for the experiment. So let's start. First we'll add zinc granules to the test tube containing dilute sulfuric acid. So you can observe few gases are being evolved from the test tube. You'll stop the mouth or cover the mouth of the test tube with a wooden block, and then through this wooden block we will pass the delivery tube. Now what is the use of the delivery tube? Delivery tube is basically used to collect the hydrogen gas which is evolved in the test tube in the tub which contains soap solution. So delivery tube is used to collect the hydrogen gas evolved during the process. Now, secondly, if we talk about what is the use of the tub containing soap solution. So in order to observe the hydrogen gas, soap solution is used because the probability of formation of bubbles will be, and the probability of collection of hydrogen gas will increase with the help of soap solution. So as you can see, gases are evolved. These gases are collected in the soap solution. You can see hydrogen bubbles are evolved, and due to this, bubbles will be formed in the soap solution. And this is how we do the test for hydrogen gas. We bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of the test tube, or we bring a burning matchstick near the end of the delivery tube where hydrogen gas is released. And this hydrogen gas will extinguish the burning matchstick with a pop sound. So a pop sound will be produced during the extinguish of the burning matchstick. I hope the process is clear to you. What is the test for hydrogen gas? Now, how do we represent this particular reaction in a chemical form? So we have taken H2SO4 and zinc. So there will be a simple single displacement reaction will take place. Since zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, so it will replace hydrogen and will form ZnSO4 plus H2 gases evolved. Now this is what is the basic general equation for the reaction. That is, when acid reacts with metal, it forms salt plus H2 gas is evolved. So this is the general reaction for the equation. Acid plus metal leads to formation of salt plus hydrogen gas. So you can see I've taken zinc, I've taken H2SO4. Zinc will will replace the hydrogen from H2SO4 because zinc is more reactive than hydrogen, and it will form ZnSO4 plus hydrogen will be evolved. Now, in case, you can also say that what is the reaction when zinc granule reacts with sodium hydroxide. So whether a metal is reacting with acid or it is reacting with a base, general reaction remains the same. That is, metal plus acid gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. And if we talk about bases, metal plus base give you salt plus hydrogen gas. So you can observe the reaction between zinc granules and sodium hydroxide solution. So we have taken NaOH plus zinc. NaOH plus zinc. So NaOH is a base and zinc is a metal. Again, on the basis of reactivity series, we can say that zinc can replace hydrogen because it is more reactive. So in case of base also, we say the more reactive metal will replace the hydrogen present in the basic solution, and in case of acid also we say the metal which is more reactive will replace the hydrogen present in the solution. So that is why we can also classify these reactions as single displacement reactions. So now you can see we have taken NaOH, we have added zinc. So the compound which is formed, or the salt which is formed, is sodium zincate, Na2ZnO2, plus hydrogen gas is evolved. Again, you can use the test for, you can use the respective test for hydrogen gas, which we have performed in the last activity, and we can prove that hydrogen gas is liberated during the